I'm so excited to tell you about the all-new Galaxy A52 and A72. The Galaxy A series gives you a blank canvas for your creativity, so you can share posts and pics from a powerful piece of tech that fits in the palm of your hand. No buts, no excuses, just an awesome mobile experience. And we can't wait to see the amazing things you'll do with it. We've equipped the A52 and A72 with a truly iconic camera that will get your creative juices flowing. So you can create unforgettable posts, take fun videos with friends, and make stories your followers will love. Your camera helps bring people together. It's the key to a world of connections. And our versatile quad lenses help you create pictures and videos you'll love, all in clutch quality. The high-def 64-megapixel rear camera on Galaxy A52 and A72 keeps your photos and videos vivid and clear, helping you craft the best posts and stories. It's packed with amazing technology that will make all of your photos sharper and steadier. On top of all that, we're also bringing back optical image stabilization, or OIS, so even your most basic photos will look clear and bright. With OIS and the image processing power from our flagship devices, these cameras catch your best light. Our remosaic and tetrabidding technology will help your content look stunning. We know you want your videos to be clear too. Super Steady Mode gives you cleaner takes and sharper lines. Let's say you're vlogging with a friend. On a typical camera, filming while you move will be super shaky. But with Super Steady Mode, you'll get amazingly smooth video. These features are great for capturing memories with your family or an impromptu photo shoot with friends. Have you ever missed a perfect moment while trying to decide whether to take a photo or a video? With Single Take, you can capture multiple shots in an instant. One long shutter press and you'll get between 2 and 9 different photos and videos at once. That way, you'll have plenty of content to send to your squad or to wow your followers. We're talking hard-eye reactions to your stories, subscribers to your channel, maybe even a DM from your crush. Sometimes, though, you need more clarity to fulfill your creative vision. So we're bringing 3 times optical zoom to Galaxy A72, which is a first for the A series. Now, you can take your eyes even closer to where you want to be with space zoom. With 3 times optical zoom and 30 times digital zoom, Galaxy A72 turns every image into an immersive experience. When your friend is taking in the beauty of nature, you can capture a candid from far away and still get a great shot. But no gallery will be complete without the best selfies of you and your friends. Thanks to the 32-megapixel front camera, you can all stand out and look great as a squad. With new OIS, 64-megapixel resolution, and Pro Mode for photos and videos, this is the most premium camera leap ever in the Galaxy A series. The awesome camera on Galaxy A52 and A72 lets you capture the world as you see it and create content to match.
The A series brings awesome innovation to everyone. We all deserve tech that takes our creativity to new heights, and it matches your style with an incredible design. The 4 gorgeous colors and haze design speak for themselves. Galaxy A52 and A72 come with a soft edge design that sets them apart. And we built in minimal camera housing to highlight the beauty of the body. Finally, we gave these devices a muted finish, so they blend in with the rest of your accessories. With a minimized punch hole, the Infinity O display lets you get lost in whatever you're watching. It's a new design DNA for the Galaxy A series, glam enough for any occasion. And a fundamental part of this beautiful design is its incredible display. Galaxy A52 and A72 have the brightest, smoothest, and most vivid display ever in the A series. We built this new series with a high refresh rate, so you'll be able to scroll easily through all your feeds and keep up with your followers' comments. Our awesome screen helps you stay connected and stand out when it counts. If you and your friends are going live while you're outside on a sunny day, you won't have trouble seeing the reactions roll in. Our 800 nit brightness is the highest ever on the Galaxy A series, so your display will be easy to read in the sun. Galaxy A52 and A72 even make it easier for you to use your tech, minimizing harmful blue light so you can look at your screen more comfortably. even after hours of scrolling. With Eye Comfort Shield, 800 nit brightness, and real smooth scrolling, this is the biggest leap ever in the Galaxy A series display. The power-efficient display and processor give Galaxy A52 and A72 battery life beyond 48 hours, so it can keep up with you on all your adventures. And when you need to power up, you can charge it real quick with the support of super fast charging at 25 watts. Your Galaxy A lets you do more. With 1 terabyte of expandable storage, you can save thousands of high-resolution photos and videos, which means you can store more and delete less. And this much power needs awesome sound to match. Galaxy A52 and A72 deliver fuller sound with the first ever stereo speaker for the Galaxy A series. This surround sound gives all your videos and playlists rich bass, high volume, and spatial sound effects. And with Dolby Atmos, you'll experience a rich soundscape filled with unparalleled depth, detail, and realism that will bring you closer to the stories and music you love. And with Dolby Atmos for gaming mode, your favorite games will sound tighter too, so you can immerse yourself in any adventure. Galaxy A52 5G is perfect for users with a need for speed. You get the incredible network support of an additional 5G band, which means you can enjoy enhanced performance for every stream and download. That includes your games. When you and your friends want to hop on the server, the Galaxy A series has all the fundamentals to help you win. A highly responsive display, a long-lasting battery, an enhanced sound solution, game booster, and 5G support on the A52. We know your data matters to you. It matters to us too. Because nothing is more cringe than a data leak. Your info will stay on lock thanks to a defense-grade security platform, Samsung Knox. By embedding security across every single layer of the device, we help protect personal information in real time and preemptively respond to increasingly advanced mobile threats. I'm telling you, A52 and A72 are high-key safe. And they're just as durable on the outside. With an IP67 rating, Galaxy A52 and A72 are protected from dust and water. You and your friends can go wherever the day takes you without needing to recharge or worry about damage.
The Galaxy A series makes awesome technology accessible, and it empowers you to craft a new era of creativity and conscience together with people from around the world. We're taking you from tired to wired all the way to inspired. A52 and A72 prove that awesome really is for everyone. They'll be available today. We are offering 3 generations of Android OS updates as well as regular security updates for a minimum of 4 years, which means you can use them longer with optimized performance. You can get the Galaxy A52 from €349 or the A52 5G from €429 in select markets. Galaxy A72 will be available from €449. Galaxy A52 and A72 come with a powerful multi-lens camera with OIS, smooth scrolling for all your feeds, water and dust resistance for every adventure. They're safe and secure with a 2-day battery to last through it all. These are awesome devices for every day. We're so excited to see how you use the Galaxy A series to express your unfiltered creativity and work together to bring awesome technology to everyone. Thank you for joining us.